Hello everyone, I'm going to explain how to connect the JDBC in Java with the MySQL, like how to connect the database with Java. So I want to two things. First one is MySQL and the MySQL connector. So I am simply install Exam and the Java connector, which is MySQL connector Java jar file. So first we want to install two things. I'm giving the link in my description. If you didn't install it, means go to that link and install it. After install it, you come to the Eclipse. In the Eclipse, go into the file, create a new folder, which is I'm going to create a new project. The JDBC files are written under the Java only, so I'm going to create a new file which is Java file, and I'm going to create one project name which it is your choice. You can give the name whatever you want. I'm simply type like a database demo, and let's say finish, and it will open the other window. Let's simply escape it because you know don't need this. So it will open the new window which is the new workspace, and we can simply create the class under the folder. Otherwise, inside the package you can create the class. So here in inside the package only I'm going to create the class. So first I want to create the package. It's your wish, you can give whatever the name you want. So I'm just giving the name as new one, and let's say finish, and inside the package file I'm going to create a class file which is a package new class name. It's also your wish, you can give the name whatever you want. Here I am going to give the name as my name, and let's click the checkbox and let's say finish. It will open the new workspace which is the new clean workspace. And now I want to add my jar file, which is I am download the jar file in my system only. So I want to add the jar file in my project. So I am going to the file build path and configure build path, and going to the libraries, then click choose path and click add external jars. So I'm going to under my C files, and inside MySQL. Inside the MySQL, I have so many connectors. So I want to connector J, which is connector Java. Then I want to click the jar file, which will apply the jar file inside my Eclipse, like inside my Eclipse project. Whatever I want to add, it will be add to my reference libraries. Here my jar files also added. Now our works are completed. We want to write the programs only. I am already write and run the program, so I just copying the program here, because in this video I am not explaining the code. I just configure how to connect the database with the Java. So I'm just copying the code and just say copy and paste it in my newly created file. So remove all of this and I'm just paste it the program here. Okay, just pasting it. And inside I'm deleting the package name as new, because here I am create the package name which is new one. Then I'm also changing my class name, which is the class name is also different here. Here the main line is this, which is this get connection only we are getting the connection from the database. So this library ms is my database name. So first I want to going to check my php myadmin. This is the actual database, so just type the chrome which is database. It will give the properties as like this. Just to go to the php myadmin page. In this php myadmin page you can create the database, and whatever the updation or deletion you can simply without using the code also. So these are the database. So I am just clicking I am going to change the library ms to forms. Here in this example I am going to use the form database. So in my database I am already created the form database, so I am changing the name to library ms to forms. So I am also changing the system.println statement which is connected. If you'll check this program, this get connection will check if the form database is it in the php myadmin or not. If it's not means it will return some error. If it x means it will print the message which is connected. So let's run the code. It will return the message which is like connected. So my database is there. So it will give the message which is a print statement as connected. So I am just changing the database name which is wet. This wet is not in my database, so I am changing the database name. Then I am run the java application, which will definitely give the error because this database is not in my php myadmin, so it will give the error message only, which is the database not found, the exception like that. Here the exception is um, unknown database wet, because the wet database is not created in my original database which is php myadmin, so it will give like that. This is the way to connect the database.